Hello everyone. Oh my god, a dragon! Today we're climbing this mountain and hunting terrible English. Hunting dragons. Yeah, that's right. We're here in Tales of Zestiria on the lookout for pretty lousy English translations. And in today's episode, we've got the introduction of Edna, our cute little Edna. And yeah, she never has terrible dialogue, right? Wrong. She's got some really terrible dialogue. This is a pretty common Japanese expression, which just means, stupid. Or moron, idiot, whatever. But yeah, is there a school where you go to get that dumb? That's actually a pretty insulting expression, to be honest. And she didn't even say that, she just said baka. And that's it. And for some unknown reason it was modified to, is there a school where you go to get that dumb? Is this like a reference to special ed? Well, I think the people that translated this game are special ed, that's for sure. If that wasn't bad enough, a little bit later, Edna says something even worse. You guys really did go to Dum Dum Academy. So what is this? Baka Aho Gakuen? No! She just said Baka, which is stupid. But apparently they translated it as, did you go to Dum Dum Academy? Which apparently is a real place. And I think the people that translated this game, that's where they go. That's their school, their favorite place. Now this gets even worse later on. I'm not going to show the scene, but she says baka again for the third time, and then it's translated as, what are you, valedictorian? Dum Dum Academy or something like that. So yeah, it just goes off the rails as being a little obsessively stupid. But hey, since today's Japanese is the word stupid, I guess we're all good, right? So, yeah, to be honest, this is not clever. It's pretty dumb. Very, very baka. And I would give this a rating of 9 out of 10 toilets. Yes, this is so bad. Today's poo rating is 282 poo. Hey, that's enough for us to make a mountain of poo. That's not Fuji-san. That's Poo-san.
やっぱりバカね。やっぱりバカね。